to Rofits!
Last week, we journeyed to the eastern part of the Czech Republic, which is a neighbor to countries like Austria, Poland, and Slovakia, to discover the local spots in the winter. And this week, we are going off the beaten path of Moravia to live like the locals in the winter. First, we head to a bar where every Czech would do during their free time, and I tried their local beer Zlotin. This bar feels very cozy, as if you step into someone's home. The red checkered curtain and fireplace keep you real warm, and the truck outside was busy cutting the ice for the ski slope on the next day. The owner of the bar has a unique sense of humor, leaving all the customer change in the gaps of the table. Even the change for my drinks was just left there. Next, there was a variety of flavored chocolate cube to pick from, and the owner would pass you a hot milk to mix in. Though it was quite a novelty, after the foam was gone, my chocolate drink was less than half a cup, but it tasted great. Following day, we went to Sabotin, to a chateau that was first used as a factory for metals before it was bought over by the Klein Brothers, who made a significant mark in the history of the Industrial Revolution, from developing railway, road, and other construction. They built the first ring road structure in Brno, which became the railroad of Vienna, Breslau, Brno, which was initiated in March 1836. The Klein Brothers became the pride of the Northern Rails as well as Brno. It is one of the great triumphs of 19th century civic planning in Central Europe and continue to define the city space. Witnessing to the long history of fruitful tension between Czechs and German speakers, and with Klein Brothers, Sabotin became an important industrial center of the Austro-Hungarian monarchy. Once you arrive, the counter will pass you a strap for entry access and your locker. Right now at a private spa. This is so cool. It's almost like a hidden dungeon, but with a spa. A shower. And there's even a sauna right beside. What on earth? Yeah, I'm just walking.
This is the maze of my dungeon. To the scary.
Right now we are going to the 90 to 100 degree sauna, Finnish sauna, and this is where we put all our clothes, and they will give you this little linen cloth to wrap around, or you can just go naked. And there are a few. This is what I'll start with. It's Finska sauna, which is Finnish sauna, and it's 90 to 100 degrees Celsius. It's 7 to 12 minutes, so you don't boil yourself. So, yep. Let's go! And I'm not sure whether my phone can survive.
I don't. For sure, your phone is going to start burning.
1 level, 2 level, but yep, I'm at the lowest level, so it's not too hot. Still fine. And it has been a couple of minutes, I think going 4 minutes, and yeah. It's getting a little bit warm, but I'm not sweating much yet. If I stand up, I can really feel the hot air. So I'm staying low just for another 2-3 minutes, and I think that is sufficient. Yeah. We're sitting in the bus back to our place, and that is 15 minutes away from where we are. The sun is setting. Look at it. It's so glorious. You can only see the rain here, but it's really nice. So now I'm at a cottage. Like outside the cottage, it's freezing. It's 0 degree. It's so cold, but look at the view. Love it here. And they have water that is super clean from the spring. You can just drink it straight away. The first thing that you have to learn is Dobry Dan. Everyone says Dobry Dan to you, so it's kind of rude if you just ignore and walk away. It means hello